Hey, Steve here. Today we're going to reset the oil life or the maintenance minder on a 2019 Honda Odyssey. So we got the push button start on this one. So we're going to push that twice until everything comes on. We're going to be using the center display here. It takes a few seconds for it to boot up. So we're already in there. So if you're in the home screen, we can get that to show up a little bit better. There we are. So we're just going to scroll over. We're going to go into settings, which doesn't show up too well. There we go. It's right into there. So from here we're going to go into vehicle and scroll down a bit into the maintenance information. Now from here you got some options. Right now it's just at 70%, doesn't really need to be done. Still got 70% life left in it. You can do just the engine oil if you want. And that gives you the choice of, that actually says reset or cancel in there. That one's reset, that one's cancel. There we are. Or the other option is, if there's more things up here, if you got tire rotation, brake flush, brake service, whatever else might be in here, air filters, and you're doing them all at the same time. Up here says, believe it or not, reset all. So you can go to reset all, and then you can just do all the maintenance items at once. Click on reset. And there we are, back to 100%. You're all done. You can just hit home, back to the original screen, the home screen, and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe, and we'll keep the videos coming. Thanks very much.